What if I told you that the single most powerful tool for healing your mind, attracting wealth, and finding true peace isn't a pill, an app, or some secret ritual? It's something you already have. Something free. Something most people overlook every single day. It takes just 5 minutes. No experience needed. And by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to use it. This isn't just meditation. This is gratitude meditation, and it's about to change everything. Pause. 1 second of silence. Let's begin. Close your eyes for just 1 second. Imagine this. You wake up. The sun's rising. But instead of peace, your mind races. Did I pay that bill? What if I fail? Why does everyone else seem happier? Sound familiar? You've tried meditation. Maybe you sit, breathe, and 10 minutes later, you're still stressed, still stuck, still searching for that real shift. But here's the truth they don't tell you. Meditation without gratitude is like a car without fuel. It looks good, it's shiny, but it won't take you anywhere. Let me ask you something and be honest. When was the last time you meditated and actually felt healed? Not just, man, that was okay, but whoa, I feel lighter. I feel rich. I feel like I could conquer the world. Yeah, that kind of meditation. Most people never experience it because they're missing one critical ingredient. And that ingredient, it's not breathing. It's not silence. It's gratitude. Science now proves it. Gratitude isn't just a nice feeling. It's a biological superpower. It lowers cortisol, the stress hormone. It boosts dopamine, the joy chemical. And get this, it literally rewires your brain to attract more abundance. But most people use gratitude like a checklist. I'm grateful for my house, my job, my dog. Click, done. Then they wonder why nothing changes. What if I told you that the way you practice gratitude in meditation could be the difference between a life of lack and a life of limitless wealth, joy, and peace? Stick with me, because in the next few minutes, I'm going to show you exactly how to unlock the healing power of gratitude in just 10 minutes a day. Let's talk about Sarah. Sarah was 42, successful career, 2 kids, a beautiful home. On paper, she had it all. Inside, she was drowning. Anxiety, sleepless nights, a constant feeling of not enough. She tried meditation apps, breath work, even silent retreats, but the heaviness stayed. Then one morning, she changed one thing. Instead of focusing on her breath, she focused on what she loved. She whispered, "I'm grateful for the warmth of this blanket. I'm grateful for the sound of my daughter's laugh yesterday. I'm grateful for this breath right now." And something shifted. Within 2 weeks, her anxiety dropped by 60%. Her sleep improved. And get this, she got a promotion she didn't even apply for. Coincidence? No. This is the healing power of gratitude in meditation. Now, I know what you're thinking. Wait, are you telling me that saying thanks can make me rich? Well, I'm not saying say thank you, and suddenly a Lamborghini appears in your driveway. Though hey, if it does, send me a pic. But seriously, gratitude isn't magic. It's magnetism. It aligns your energy with abundance. And when you meditate with gratitude, you're not just calming your mind. You're reprogramming your subconscious to expect good things. Here's how it works. The 3-step gratitude meditation method. Step 1, anchor in the body. Sit comfortably. Close your eyes. Take 3 deep breaths, in through the nose, out through the mouth. Now, scan your body. Where do you feel tension? Breathe into that space. And as you exhale, whisper, "Thank you for holding me together." Yes, thank your body. Even the parts you complain about. Your back, it carried you through the day. Your heart, it's beating right now just for you. Gratitude starts with appreciating what's already here. Step 2, recall a moment of joy. Now, bring to mind a memory, simple, real, where you felt pure joy. Maybe it's your child's first steps, a sunset on vacation, or just coffee on a quiet morning. Relive it. Feel the warmth, the smile, the peace, and say silently, "Thank you for this moment. Thank you for this feeling." This isn't just memory. This is energy activation. You're telling your brain, "More of this, please." Pause 1 second. And now, the game changer. Step 3, Project gratitude into the future. Close your eyes and imagine your ideal life. Not the someday life, the real one. You're healthy, wealthy, at peace, surrounded by love. Now, feel gratitude as if it's already happened. Say, thank you for my thriving business. Thank you for my vibrant health. Thank you for the abundance that flows to me effortlessly. This is where the magic happens. You're not wishing, you're receiving. And the universe? It responds to vibration, not desperation. But here's the shocking truth most people miss. Gratitude only works in meditation if you feel it. Not just say it. Feel in your chest, in your bones. Otherwise, it's just words. And that brings us to the final act. Let me be clear. Gratitude meditation isn't about ignoring pain. It's about healing through awareness. It's about saying, yes, this is hard, and I'm still grateful for my strength. I lost my job, and I'm grateful for this chance to reinvent. That's the power. That's the shift. Every second you spend in gratitude meditation, you reduce inflammation in your body. You boost your immune system. You rewire your brain for optimism. And yes, you attract more wealth. Because gratitude is the language of abundance. Think about it. Would you rather hang out with someone who complains all day, or someone who sees the good in everything? Exactly. The universe has the same preference. So here's my challenge to you. For the next 7 days, do this. Just 10 minutes. Use the 3-step method. Anchor, recall, project, and watch what happens. Maybe it's a surprise check, a healed relationship, or just peace. Real, deep, unshakable peace. Because here's the truth. You're not broken. You don't need fixing. You just need to remember how powerful you already are. And gratitude? It's the key that unlocks it. If this resonated with you, don't just like this video. Act on it. Because transformation doesn't happen in the comments. It happens in the quiet moments, when you choose gratitude over fear, when you choose peace over panic, when you choose wealth, not just in your bank account, but in your soul. So hit subscribe now, because every week we dive deeper into the mindset tools that create extraordinary lives. And if you're ready to go further, grab our other valuable meditation video in this channel. Take that first breath, say thank you, and watch your life begin to change. You are worthy, you are enough, and your healing has already begun.